All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and today we're gonna make it quick and simple. I love these type of recipes. I'm gonna show you guys how to make garlic butter, beef, and rice skillet. Man, you're gonna love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our ground beef. We have some shredded cheddar cheese here. We have our rice. I've already washed and rinsed it, drained it, so we're all good. Beef broth, Parmesan cheese, seasoned salt and black pepper, chopped garlic, fresh chopped parsley, thyme, milk, onions, butter, and we have some smoked paprika. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna melt some butter. As that butter melts, we're gonna add our onions and our ground beef. And we're gonna cook this all the way through until our onions are softened and of course our beef is brown. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good. We're gonna pause our heat. If you have any fat, you wanna go ahead and get that drained. I got a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain mine. All right, so now that we've drained our beef, we're gonna unpause our heat. We're gonna go in with our garlic, our seasoned salt and black pepper, smoked paprika, and our thyme. And we're gonna cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Get that garlic infused in this mixture. After about 2 minutes, we're gonna go in with our rice. And guys, remember, this is uncooked, and we're just gonna get this mixed in just enough to get the rice combined pretty much evenly throughout our beef mixture. We're gonna come behind that with our beef broth. We're gonna bring this up to a boil. All right, guys, once it starts boiling, you want to reduce your heat to low. Cover this baby up, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes. All right, guys, so after about 18 minutes, this is what we have, and take a look at that right there. Next, we're gonna go in with our milk and our cheeses. And we're gonna get this mixed in here. Make sure you keep your heat on low. It just kind of helps melt the cheese. And we're gonna start with our cheddar cheese, of course. We're gonna come behind that with our Parmesan now, and also get that mixed in and melted. All right, so this is what we have. Let's move over to our cutting board to add some final touches. And we're gonna get into quality control. All right, guys, and what I'm gonna do just to add some finishing touches, I'm gonna just add a little cheddar cheese to the top. You don't have to do this, but it's just, you know, as far as presentation, it just looks good. And I'm just gonna cover this up for a couple minutes, let that cheese melt, and then we're gonna come back. All right, guys, after about a few minutes, this is what we have. We're gonna hit that with some of that green stuff, just to make that color pop just a little bit. And guys, this is fresh parsley. And people say, what do you mean when you say that green stuff? Y'all don't see the link to the recipe. Just click the link in the video description and go to the recipe, and you guys will see exactly what green stuff is. It's fresh parsley. Guys, there you have it. Garlic, butter, beef, and rice skillet. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because we gotta do this quick taste test. All right, y'all already know it's quality control time. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, take a look at them groceries, man. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. Exactly what I expected. Whenever rice, ground beef, and cheese meet each other, it's always the perfect combination. Wow. No need to jump around saying how delicious this is, because it's very simple, it's quick and easy, but it's still very good. So definitely add this one to your quick recipes to do list for AWE. And until the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.